Okay, here's another little fabrication job we've got going on at the moment. This is the master cylinder pedal mount backing plate that goes on the engine side in the car. Decided to make a new one of these and just took a pattern. It's all coming together okay, quite a simple job, and just got to tack weld those two little brackets on there. The original one actually had a hole, 40 or 50 mil hole in that area there. There's no corresponding hole on the panel of the car, but there is on the master cylinder mounting bracket. I don't see the point of it, so I'm not going to bother drilling a hole in there just for the sake of authenticity. Yeah, just don't see the point of it. So there we have it, another little successful fabrication of a necessary part. What we have here is another little fabrication job that I've completed. The dip switch bracket I didn't have, so rather than buy one, it looked pretty easy to make. I did see them on the internet out of the United Kingdom for £27, but by the time you get about 55 cents to the pound Australian, that would have ended up a tidy sum plus freight on top of that. So what I did, I just took a template, if you like, copied off a picture that I found on the internet, just took a template and then fabricated that up. That's actually 2mm sheet bent up in the vise, holes drilled in it, and to be honest, it looks identical to what you'd buy. So yeah, another little fabrication job, just shows you that things can be done if you need to do them and you haven't got any other option, or making it is a more viable option. In this case, yeah, all worked out pretty well. The original one actually had another round hole in there, but there was no point to it at all, so I didn't bother putting that in there. Wouldn't save that much weight by cutting that little bit out. Okay, another little job done. Righto, here's another little fabricated bracket. I was missing the wiper motor bracket, so I took a picture off one I got off the internet and fabricated one from that. The holes for the grommets I've got to make larger, but I've got to get by the grommets, so I don't know how big those holes are at the moment. But all fits up well, and I've mounted the motor there, and everything lines up, so that should be another good little fabrication. Saves buying them, if you can locate them to buy them, and not hard to make at all. So another successful little project done on the in the scheme of things. So there we have it. Well, that's the new outer sill I got from Kilmartin's. Very, very nicely made patch repair panels that I've got from them. I've made the inner sill myself, bent that up from pattern and measurements I got off Barney's site. There's actually quite a good plan of all of that, and that's the inner sill plate. Now that inner sill plate actually has a couple of 1-inch holes in the centre of it. And I can't for the life of me understand why it's there. It's quite open to the road, and it's just an open opportunity for water and stuff to get in there. It's no wonder all these sills rusted out. So I'm not going to, just for the sake of authenticity, put those holes in there. I'm going to leave that closed up solid, and when I weld those inner sills to the sill plates, I'll seam seal that, and hopefully that'll stop any moisture at all getting in there. Yeah, I just don't understand why they did that. Maybe to soften up to stiffen up, sorry, the inner sill plate, but once the outer sill's welded to it, it'll be stiff enough. So there you have it. I've got exactly the same for the right hand side, the driver's side in Australia, and not quite ready to put all that together yet. I've still got a bit of other body work to do, but it's all set and ready to go. And there you have it.